Buying a car can be a bit of a journey. And when it comes to negotiating the best price, you might feel like you're climbing a hill. It doesn't help that you're often up against experienced salespeople who negotiate car deals all day long. And then there's that nagging feeling of not knowing if you're getting a fair deal, or even scarier, if you're being ripped off. There's actually a better way to go about buying a car, and that is where your Car Buying Advocate comes in. We aren't brokers, and we aren't your typical car buying service, fueled by the likes of sites like TrueCar. We actually work for the consumer. Founded by Mike Rumpel, former car salesman, we eliminated the conflict of interest associated with selling and buying cars by working in a fiduciary capacity. Our clients pay us, and then we go to work for them. We never accept kickbacks or any type of compensation from dealers. This allows us to work solely on behalf of our clients, getting you the best deal we can and the exact car you want. Our team is knowledgeable about the car industry and the market, and we're here to be your friends in the process. Think of us as your dad or your uncle you call when buying a car. We're here to take all the pressure off of you while making sure you're well informed every step of the way. No need to stress about negotiating. Your Car Buying Advocate takes care of that for you, saving you time, easing your worries, and making this the most convenient car buying experience you've ever had. You can check us out at yourcarbuyingadvocate.com. Just look for Hire an Expert. Fill out the form on the page. You can schedule a free strategy call at your convenience. Discover the power of having your Car Buying Advocate by your side. And don't forget to fill out the form so we can chat to decide if we're a good fit to work together. yourcarbuyingadvocate.com. We work for you.